milkshake. So, what milkshake we are making is summer milkshake. So because it's too hot, and so what we need for it, we need some Oreo, and then we need whipped cream, then we need some chocolate, also this chocolate chips, and we got some milk and some ice cream, and then we got milk. So, and then we got Nutella. So just we got these things, some things. And what we do for I'm so excited I can't believe this. And now we need we have this mixer like a glass. And first we need is 4 Oreos. Open it. And for the Oreos we need 4. It just need to be 4, but you can use 6 too if you have. But I'm using 4. And then we need some ice cream. I don't better say that. We got some ice cream. Oh, 2. It's like head. Tight. Do it better tight, but it's a soft ice cream. Going. Can't go in. Better go there. Use my hand. Just taste it. Put it there now. If you want it to be sweet, you can use a little bit. So I can't use all of these. That much. There you go. Some milk. Then milk here. Take that milk. Not that big. Oh, sorry.
Siddu nakiba. किधर फटाकते हैं?
I need some tissue after. And now what we need is whipped cream. We got this whipped cream. Then first we maybe mix it. That will be good. Where's my food? That is my food. There. I can't use mixer because I'm too young. Oreo. Crunch, crunch. I need to crunch that Oreo. Use this. Then I need this. Not this. We need to use that after, maybe. We can use it after, maybe, because I don't know what to do. So I'm a little bit younger. Use this.
So what this your mama made ready for you because you're not able to use the mixer. You're too young. It's not safe for kids. Yeah. So I will mix it this well.
Yeah.
The mixture is ready. I will use the mixer for her, and her milkshake is ready. Now you can do.
Now I can make cook. Where's mine? Oh, it's mine. So oily.
So what you adding?
This is whipped cream. I'm adding whipped cream. Oh no, we don't know maybe. No, we don't. We need this. It's called chocolate chips. These go in. Okay. I better have no milk. Oh. Maybe I'll go and get the tissue. Typical. Bobby! Oh, I better clean this chair. Or maybe another chair, maybe. Mama! Mama! Not good. Mama! 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 So, Nanny, we need to put all of them, but a little bit of maybe. I'm so excited to drink this. Looks the yummiest. And roti. We don't eat stockings, do we? So, not stockings.
So what you did on all your holidays?
I made roti. I did. And then I made roti and there's my, can you show them my socks? Not my socks, but you can, I just eaten my roti. I can't show you my rotis. I made rotis and I made my stockings and now I'm making milkshake. Summer milkshake. This is, and what we need for it, then we just need some straw. So then and then we are done.
I'll give you a straw.
Okay.
You can choose any color you like.
I like blue.
You don't like pink?
No.
Why?
Because blue is my favorite color.
You can taste your milkshake.
Yum! I can't believe it! This is yummy! Bye guys. Have a lovely holiday. Come next time.